Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a little bit of an adventure, looking at a barn find. So stay tuned. So there's this abandoned house way out in the middle of nowhere, and there's a garage, and it's rumored to have an old truck and a tractor in the garage. Now in the barn. The barn is falling apart, but we're gonna go for a little adventure and see what we can find and give you guys some good video. So why don't you come along and we'll take a look and see what's going on.
We're in Blackjack and something's really wrong. He's out there trying to figure out where the noise is coming from.
Caliper bolt broke or something.
What's a caliper?
It's what makes your brakes work.
Oh. Not good.
All right, so we're on the side of the road and my caliper bolt came out, causing the caliper to rub up against the inside of the rim. So we've got to get that tightened back up. Fun stuff.
Oh, honey. He's always into something.
Well, I've got it threaded in there back as far as I can by hand. So we can at least continue on our journey, because where we're going is just a couple miles up the road. So, whew. Tech tip of the day, folks, carry a toolkit with you. And gas, because you never know when you might run out of gas. Hey folks, welcome to the channel today. We are out in the middle of nowhere in rural New Brunswick, and we're going to do some rural exploring today. And as you can see behind me is a house that looks like it's been abandoned for quite some time. The windows are boarded up and the barn is falling apart, but we're going to see what we can find. Let's go. It's rumored that this barn has an old tractor and an old international truck in it. So, oh my. Oh my. Yep.
No way.
Sitting right there. Now Puddin's Fab Shop would be able to tell us exactly what year, model that was. But look at the condition of it. Now this looks like the doorway over here. I'm going to see if I can get a better shot of it from over here maybe. Looks like we might be able to get in right here. And there's the tail end of that international truck. What a find.
It truly is a barn find.
Yeah. There's an old canoe up there. But from what I've heard is that the floor in here isn't that great. So I can see where the truck is sitting, it's probably fine. But somebody said that there's a tractor on the other side which is kind of falling into the floor a little bit. So
Look how bad the barn is slanted.
yeah. Oh yeah. The old case tractor over there falling into the floor. We've got to figure out how to get over there. We got to get over the other side and see that tractor and that truck. Well, I'm a little bit scared to tell you the truth. I don't know what's underneath that hay.
Oh no, it's fine.
It's totally fine. All right, I'm going in. If there's any animals in here, you can stay where you are. Because something tells me whatever they are, they're probably in there. But yeah, that is a Case 730 tractor, Comfort King. And what's even stranger is that that tire looks as if it's still holding air. I have no idea how long this place has been sitting empty, but I do want to get over there a little bit further. If I go up here, I might be able to cross over there and get to that truck. If that tractor's falling into that floor there, I don't know how stable this is. That tractor goes down, the whole thing could come down, you know what I mean? Sketchy. Creaky. Yeah, if any of you guys know what year this thing might be, go ahead and leave your comments down below. I see there's a sticker here. It doesn't have any dates on it. Engine is stamped F97. Does that mean, does F stand for Ford, or did Case make their own? She's got glass packs, boys. Got a car tire over here on this side. Ooh. Got the dual headlights in the front. The articulating single axle. Oh, that board's creaking. Maybe there's some information on this side that might help you guys identify what year it is. Oh, there's a tag right over there. I'm just too chicken to go over there to read it. Yeah, I'm not going to go over there in case that tractor goes any further. It's going to pin me in there. Yeah, no. Kinda. Gotta get some photos for the gram. Oh. Please don't break. I'm going to make my way over to the International. Tell you what, guys, this is scary stuff. A little lawnmower. I got a New Holland cover to something. Another seat to an old tractor. So this is an 1100. It's got the badge on the side. It's got an 8-cylinder. And I don't know my International trucks, but I don't know if this was a 340. Maybe you guys can tell me down in the comment section down below what it is. See if I can get a better look. There's some fiberglass work on that front corner. Doesn't look very good. This door, that door could be moved. No, it's leaning in, but it's kind of leaning on the hood. So I was just thinking if a fella ever wanted to get this truck out of here.
I've got a truck. Dinky car.
She's a custom. She's got the old tow mirrors on her. And they're actually made by International. That's something you don't see anymore, is when everything on a truck or a car was made by the company who actually manufactured it. Gas tank was outside here. The interior looks complete. Steering wheel, manual transmission, 3 on the tree. Homestead fans. The box side looks like it's fairly straight. Well, got a little bit of a crease down here, but tire might be holding there. Old base to a sewing machine. I gotta see if I can get around to that other side, so I can see what kind of miles are on this thing. If I can get over there, can I pass through on that side? Like next to the truck? No.
There's a whirly thingy in the way.
Oh, there's an old trunk over there.
Wash basin. Gas can.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get over here on this side. Be right back. Now I gotta figure out a way to get in on this side of that truck, get a better look at it without destroying the barn. Oh yeah, I think there's a spot right here. Crawling through that hole, and that goes right over into there. I'll crawl over some junk to get there though. Watch out for nails. That looks, I haven't had a tetanus shot probably in about 15 years, so. It's fine. Oh, jeez. Yeah, there's not much left of this floor. Everything's kind of fallen down. Now all I'm going to do is step where I see wood, and hopefully there's something underneath of it. Barely. And that beam, that beam is literally resting on that door.
Oh my god.
Barely nailed in up there.
Yeah.
It's
and
fine.
That beam there, that was supposed to be connected to that one,
Yeah.
it's the best beam.
And that beam was probably connected up there, holding up that part of the
Yeah.
sidewall of the building. Well, we're going to do the right thing and walk underneath it. And there's part of it kind of must have come crashing down and landed right here. That broke that window out. It's got stickers on it from 1989. It's got 49,179 miles.
You see 400?
49,000.
Oh, 49. Wow. That's nothing.
No inspection sticker on it. She's got lots of amperage, no gas. Don't be a wank. Fill your tank. No keys. 3 in the tree. And you said the numbers were on the door here?
Down at the bottom.
Let's just stand underneath this beam that the door's holding up. So that says it's a D1100. It's got the serial number. It doesn't tell us the year. But my guess is there was probably something along here at once upon a time that told us what the year was. That floor is just about gone. It's been poppered in a couple times. Smells a lot like pee. But what a good looking truck though, back in its day, I'm sure. And I'm gonna go back over here and catch the back end, I think. So this is the back end of the truck. It's had some patchwork done there, and it says International across that tailgate. It's a single round headlight. The box is full of raccoon poo. I still have no idea what year this is. Maybe you guys can help me out. So we made it out to our little adventure that we were going on to check out that tractor and that international truck. And I just get home now, and it's time to check that caliper bolt to see what kind of condition it's in, make sure it's still there, and we'll get that tightened up. Like I said, now that we're home, we got some tools. So the bolt is still there. I'd say it's backed about halfway out. And I grabbed an 18 millimeter. I don't know what size it is or what size it's supposed to be, but let's take a look and see if we can get her tight. It is 18. Well, that one was loose too, but anyways. Now that those are tight, we'll check the other side as well. Well, there you have it, guys. There is an old international truck and a tractor, case tractor, which we have no idea what year those are. And just as a reminder, if you know what they are, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section down below to help educate me so I know exactly what it is that we're looking at. I am going to try and contact somebody somewhere to find out who owns it, and maybe, who knows, maybe we can yank that old international truck out of that barn. Let me know also in the comment section if you guys like this sort of thing, because we know where there's a few more goodies like this that we can kind of go pawing through and, you know, not get into too much trouble, and bring it to you here on the OCG channel. So let me know if you want to see more, because if you do, we'll go looking for this stuff. We'll go barn find hunting, literally. And we don't just throw that term around loosely. That's exactly what we did today, and we found that old truck and tractor. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you. God bless. Let's do it again real soon.